This is a Sicilian gelato masterpiece. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are making traditional strawberry gelato with white chocolate stracciatella. Because fresh strawberries and white chocolate are the best combination ever. This is a genuine Sicilian fruit gelato recipe made with milk cream and Italian meringue. A lighter alternative to regular ice cream as it is made with fresh fruits and no heavy cream. These are the ingredients you need. The measurements are in the description below. Some gelato recipes might simplify the process by using cornstarch, but this recipe achieves a superior area texture by incorporating Italian meringue. Although it takes extra effort to prepare, the resulting quality of the gelato justifies the additional steps. This fruit gelato is made of 3 components: fresh strawberry juice, milk cream, which is the gelato base, Italian meringue. We are making each component from scratch. Rinse the strawberries thoroughly under cold water. Remove the stems and cut the strawberries into quarters. Place the quartered strawberries in a bowl and marinate them with lemon juice and sugar, allowing the mixture to sit so the flavours can meld and the strawberries release their juices. While the fruit is marinating, we prepare the milk cream. You need to make it a few hours ahead as it needs to chill. Beat the egg yolks and the caster sugar together until the mixture is smooth and begins to lighten in colour. Watch for the formation of small bubbles, which indicates good aeration. Warm the whole milk in a saucepan over medium-low heat until it nearly reaches a simmer, then take it off the heat. Slowly add a portion of the heated milk to the egg yolk mixture, whisking constantly to prevent the yolks from scrambling. Continue to whisk as you gradually incorporate the rest of the warm milk until the mixture is thoroughly combined. Transfer the entire mixture back into the saucepan and cook over medium heat. Keep stirring continuously, making sure to scrape the bottom of the pan to avoid sticking or burning, until the mixture thickens to a point where it can coat the back of a spoon, which typically takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove from heat and immediately strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve into a bowl to remove any lumps and achieve a smooth texture. Let the milk cream cool at room temperature for around 30 minutes, then transfer it into an airtight container and place it in the refrigerator to chill thoroughly, best if left overnight. Now we can puree the marinated strawberries. I use a KitchenAid with a vegetable strainer attachment. Otherwise, a manual strainer is also effective. After pureeing, pass the strawberry mixture through a fine mesh strainer to refine the texture, removing any seeds and excess pulp. If you like to add some fresh strawberries to the ice cream, keep some on the side. You can prepare these ingredients up to a day in advance, which is especially helpful if you have guests and need to focus on other parts of the meal. Once we are ready to make the gelato, we prepare the Italian meringue. In a small saucepan, mix caster sugar with water. Heat over medium until the sugar dissolves fully, avoiding stirring to prevent recrystallization. Once dissolved, slightly raise the heat to achieve a steady, gentle boil, still without stirring. Concurrently, whip the egg whites in a clean, dry bowl until they reach soft peaks, preferably with an electric mixer for optimal aeration. Monitor the syrup until it reaches the soft ball stage at 240 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 150 degrees Celsius. Slowly stream it into the whipped egg whites, directing the flow between the whisk and the bowl's edge to avoid splashes. Keep whipping until the mixture turns glossy and hits stiff peaks, signaling the meringue is ready. The Italian meringue should be used immediately in your gelato to maintain its airy texture. It cannot be prepared the day before. To melt the chocolate in a double boiler, set the heat-proof bowl over a pot of simmering water. Add broken chocolate pieces into the bowl, stirring occasionally until smooth. You can also melt the chocolate in a microwave. Once melted, maintain the chocolate's temperature by keeping it above the warm water, which is now turned off, or reheat it briefly as needed to keep it fluid. Now we have all the ingredients ready to make the gelato. Mix the pureed strawberries into the chilled milk cream mixture thoroughly. Pour the combined mixture into your ice cream machine and start churning according to the manufacturer's instructions. Continue until the ice cream is thick and nearly solid, typically about 20 to 30 minutes. Add the Italian meringue while the machine is still churning to ensure it's evenly mixed into the ice cream and maintains its fluffy texture. If you have set them aside, add the remaining strawberries. Ensure the melted chocolate is warm but not hot to the touch before adding it to the ice cream, as the sudden change in temperature can damage the gelato maker. Gradually sprinkle the warm chocolate into the churning ice cream. This helps it solidify quickly, forming crisp, flavorful shards throughout the gelato. Continue churning until the chocolate is well mixed and the ice cream reaches the desired consistency. Homemade gelato is best when served fresh. To ensure it's perfectly creamy, serve the finished gelato immediately after it finishes churning. If you're planning to serve this at a gathering, start your ice cream maker as you begin eating your meal. Your gelato will be ready just in time for dessert. Strawberry ice cream pairs beautifully with other fruit gelato flavors like vanilla, chocolate, pistachio or stracciatella. On warm days, I use a Nambi alloy serving dish. It has long-lasting temperature retention properties and keeps your gelato cold and refreshing. Chill the Nambi serving dish in the freezer overnight and use it to serve the gelato. For more traditional Italian gelato recipes, check out the playlist above. Discover our Italian mug collection with QR codes for easy access to your Guardian Chef's recipes. And don't forget to subscribe. Next week, we are making fruit sorbets.